Good morning students, welcome to my series of tense. Today I am going to discuss about the present perfect continuous tense. First, let's see the form of present perfect continuous tense. This tense is made by subject plus have been or has been. You know where have is used and in which case we use has. In my previous video, I have discussed about this use. According to the subject, use have been or has been, and then take the verb with ing, that is the present participle form of main verb, and plus object. Clear? So, thus a present perfect continuous tense is formed subject plus have been or has been. According to the subject, have been or has been is placed plus verb with ing plus object. Clear? Now let's discuss what is present perfect continuous tense with its examples. Present perfect continuous tense shows an action which is started in the past and is going on now or will go on for a while. It means that something that is started in the past and is continuing at the present time. This is the use of present perfect continuous tense for unfinished action which started in the past and continues until now. Clear? For example, I have been writing letters since 7 o'clock this morning. It means at 7 o'clock, since 7 o'clock. It means at 7 o'clock I start to write, and still now I am writing. The process of writing is going on. Though the action writing is started in the past at 7 o'clock, till now I am writing letters. So here I have used present perfect continuous tense. Clear? Now see the next one. He has been living here for 3 years. This sentence also indicates that the action is started in the past. He starts to live here before in the past, and still now at present time he is living here. During this period is 3 years. So during this period 3 years he has been living here. Though he starts to live before, now at present time he is also living here, and therefore I have used here present perfect continuous tense. And in such type of sentences you can use present perfect continuous tense. See that this use is very similar to the continuative use of present perfect which I have discussed in my previous video. But of course with stative verbs present perfect continuous is not used. Now note a thing, that present perfect continuous tense is not used with stative verbs, such as I have been knowing him for 3 years and I have known him for 3 years. Between these two sentences, the first sentence is wrong, because you know that know is a stative verb, and the continuous form of know, that is knowing, is not used for present perfect continuous tense, because what I have just said to you, that with stative verbs present perfect continuous tense is not used. So the continuous form of know is wrong here, and here instead of present perfect continuous we write the present perfect tense. I have known him for 3 years. This sentence is grammatically correct. Clear? So this is the present perfect continuous, or the last part of present tense that I have discussed today, and thus present tense is completed. So my next video will be about the past tense. You guys, to learn tenses, follow my channel. Thank you.